Hello guys, welcome to Start Coding. So today we are discussing about the LED program. In previous session also we discussed about the single LED blink. If anyone did not see, go and watch the video. So today we are discussing about the multiple LEDs. So multiple LEDs on off first we will see, later we will add the one or two LEDs. Okay, now first we will see about the two LEDs on off. Okay, simple. See how we will do. So here we will use any pins out of this. So here you are seeing, right? For example, I am going to connect to fourth pin one LED. For that we need to use pin mode. So pin mode we need to use. So pin mode and fourth pin I'm using, and LED I'm connecting. LED is a output device. Previous also we discussed this. So next pin mode I'm going to connect two LEDs. So one is 4 I'm connecting here, and one more we can connect anything, no problem. 5 is there, 18 is there. I'm going to connect 18 comma output. So LED is the output device. So here I am declaring the fourth and 18th pins are output devices. So now I am going to connect LEDs here. So we need to make it on. On means how can we do? Digital write. Digital write. 4 comma high. 4 comma high. Next, we need to do one more digital write. We need to on another LED also, right? Digital write 18 comma high we need to do. So both are on. We need to give the delay. We need to give the delay. So delay here I am giving 1000. 1000 is nothing but 1 second delay I am giving. Same. Now these statements will make LEDs on. So now I need to do LEDs off. How can we do? Digital write. Again I am writing 4 comma we need to give low 0 we can consider. Next another LED also we will make it as right 18 comma low. So after LED is off we need to give the delay. So delay here I am giving the 1000. 1000 is nothing but 1 second delay. So whenever you are practicing this, so don't give this delay. Check how the output you are able to see. Output you can observe. Okay. So why we are giving delay here also you are able to understand clearly. Okay, now coding is completed. We are connecting two LEDs, fourth pin and 18th one. So LED is output devices. Here we are telling in pin mode. So which pins we are using and what it is. Here we are clearly telling to the controller. So after that we are making as a high. High is nothing but on. Low is nothing but off we are doing. Digital write. We are writing. So whatever the pins 4 and 18, this is all are digital pins. So similarly, we have analog pins also is there that we will discuss later. So now what we are connecting, that is a digital pins we are using. So LED we are connecting. So this is the coding. Okay, now we will see the how we will connect the LED here for this. So go to the plus symbol, select the LED. If you want, you can type. You will get here. So I need one more LED, one more LED. So we can connect the resistor also. So if you want we can connect. So in simulation there is no problem we'll get, but when we are doing real time hardware, so that time mandatory we have to they connect the register. So you can see in program I am using the fourth pin. So here also I am connecting the fourth pin only. So one more LED and one more I am connecting the 18th. So same 18th I am connecting. So remaining one pin will connect to the ground. So you can see ground, this is the ground, we are connecting the ground. Same, this LED also will make it as a ground. We can change the also. Here I am making as a 0 is black color, I am making 0. So just visibility will get the good understanding purpose. And here I will make it as a red. Just red I am making. Red and any color we can give to see the clear outputs. One is ground we are connecting, one more pin, whatever the pin we need to use that we are connecting. So now we will run this code, we will see. So this will take the time. Okay, so now this is completed. See the output. LED is on and off. What we are doing? Just on and off. So for that only we will return the code. So that only we are seeing. LED is on and off for that only. So for example, one more LED we are going to connect. One more means what we need to do. One more pin mode we need to take. Pin mode and which pin you need to connect. For example, 15 is there. 15 comma it is a output device. So LED is output we are making as output. So that also we need to on means we need to write a digital write and 15 comma high. 15 comma high. So now here it is on. So we'll see now digital write 15 comma low. Okay, so this is completed. Now added one more LED. So here also added in digital write and digital write high and low places I added. Now we will see, take the plus LED and you can connect one more LED here. One more LED you can connect here. Same one is plus. If you want to connect the resistor, you can connect. How to connect means check out the first video. There clearly it is mentioned how to use the resistor. Now 15th pin. Check the 15th pin. We will connect the 15th pin here. Any pin we can connect. There is a no problem. So but make sure whatever you are writing in the code, that only you have to use here. And another one is ground. Doesn't matter, all grounds you can connect one pin, no problem. Okay, we'll make it a zero color and here I will make it as a red. So now completed. Now we will see, we'll run and we will see the output. See output. Now what we did it, so 3 LEDs we are connecting, 3 are on we are doing, 3 are off we are doing. So same output we will see. So this is a normal simple LED on and off programs. So multiple patterns also we can do, like one is on off, that also we can do. And one more main important thing, so whenever you see the programs, we will give the names here, like LED 1, some names they will give. How to give the names and why we are giving the names, that also we'll see in next video, in further videos. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment on that, we will discuss that also.